New information out of Sand Mountain. Today we learned 14 students and 3 staff members in the DeKalb County school system tested positive for coronavirus. That's according to the superintendent. WAAY 31 Sophia Borelli spoke with him about how they're managing cases and how parents are helping keep that number low.
DeKalb County Schools is in its second week of having students in the classroom. Superintendent Jason Barnett says of the 14 students who've tested positive for coronavirus, only 2 actually stepped foot on a school campus. He says parents have been doing a great job of communicating with different schools about their children.
They've called the school, let people know they're symptomatic and they're seeking on what to do, and we're referring them to their health care provider, or maybe they have already been tested and they were positive and they're calling the school just to let us know so they can keep them out, and so we understand where they are and we can support them during this time.
Barnett said 3 staff members have tested positive. He says less than 1% of the district's teachers, staff, and students are quarantining because of a possible exposure to the virus. Barnett says the district is following the Alabama Department of Public Health's toolkit for guidance on when a student, teacher, or staff member needs to quarantine from a possible exposure to the virus.
It do require a 14-day isolation or quarantine period, and that has caused some concern for our parents because they know their child has been out of school for 7 days and is feeling great and wants to return and be a part of their school and get their education they need. But they're working well with us and making sure that we keep everybody safe.
Barnett says he's pleased with how people in the district as a whole are working to help stop the spread of the virus.
Keep up the good work. Wash your hands, practice that social distance, wear that facial covering as needed, and we're going to kick this, and hopefully before long we can get back to the way of life we want.
Barnett said he was not able to tell me which schools had students or employees test positive. In Rainsville, Sophia Borelli, WAAY 31 News.